We'll examine some of the top DJI Neo cases in this video, emphasizing their special features and benefits so you can choose a protective option for your drone with knowledge.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have StartRC Case. For owners of the DJI Neo looking for a case that strikes a mix of utility, durability, and style, the DJI Neo drone and accessories are designed to fit in a small shoulder case. The RCN 3-in-2 controller, 4 batteries, charging hub, 65Du battery charger, filter set, propellers, cable, and other accessories can all be arranged with it. Complete safety. Made of a special leather shell material and expertly molded, it offers great protection against scratches and damage to the DJI Neo drone and its attachments while in transit. You may travel in inclement weather without worrying about damaging your belongings since this storage travel case is composed of a special PU material that is resistant to rain and splashing. Conveniently stuffs into a travel bag or backpack. Featuring a shoulder strap for easy on and off and a non-slip handle, it's portable enough for outdoor activities including hiking, camping, and shooting. Furthermore, the foam cushioning adds another degree of protection from shocks and vibrations, which is especially helpful while traversing uneven terrain. On number 2, we have Pittings carrying case. For those seeking a protective cover that combines design and functionality for their DJI Neo, the Pidynx carrying case is yet another outstanding choice. This carrying case offers a precise fit for complete protection during storage and transportation because it is made especially for the DJI Neo drone and associated accessories. The little soft case is the perfect option for traveling and hiking because it provides your DJI Neo drone with weatherproof, dustproof, wear-resistant, and scratch-resistant safety protection. This case is made of premium Lycra double-layer fabric, which guarantees dependable protection and long-lasting durability for your priceless gear. Your drone and other equipment can be kept perfectly organized and conveniently accessible with the case's specific compartments and pockets. This carrying case is an essential piece of gear for trips that take you places quickly because of how easily it can hold your DJI Neo drone and its attachments. On number 3, we have generic case. The generic case for the DJI Neo is a viable option for individuals looking for a cost-effective yet reliable solution. This case, which is made of high-density plastic, offers strong defense against knocks, drops, and other typical risks connected to drone transport. Your investment is safe and worry-free because DuraEVA material, which is waterproof and shockproof, can successfully avoid accidental collision and harsh weather damage to the equipment. The opening design is reasonable and the zipper is smooth and easy to pull, making it suitable for rapid access to items. The interior space arrangement is thoughtfully planned with space allotted in a methodical manner to ensure that every accessory has its place. It's fashionable and useful at the same time. It comes in a range of colors, so you can flaunt your individual style and make a splash outside while still taking advantage of modern conveniences like technology. In addition to serving as a handbag, it has an adjustable shoulder strap that enables cross-body carrying, adjusts to various travel situations, and accommodates various users' carrying needs. So these are some of the best cases to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.